Hello, my name is Cito Isarra, Technical Marketing Engineer at Appspace, and today we're going to celebrate the launch of Appspace 8 by focusing on a specific part of this major release. This is the final session of 4, which were the Appspace Content Portal and Enterprise Messaging integration, the new Analytics module, the new Maps module and its integration with the Schedule Board card, and the new Content Library and general platform security and performance updates. This session is focused on the Content Library and general improvements to security and performance on our platform. The driving force behind the update to the Content Library was our wish to present a streamlined and consistent experience for users uploading and creating content, no matter from which part of the platform you begin to do so. As you know, in Appspace you can add content via a quick action here at the top. You can also go to the Content Library and begin from there, and you can also do it from within a channel. With the update, you will always see the same workflow. Before we do that, let's just cover some quick basic changes and improvements. We've added right-click actions within the library and other options on how to manage your content, copy, and move data around. We've also enabled batch downloads from folders, so you can download an entire folder of content as a zip file, whereas previously you could only do it individually. Another functionality we've added is the ability to push a channel directly from this workflow. So imagine you go to the library and load a folder of content. You can then choose a channel to publish it to, and if that channel doesn't exist, you can create it as required. Set scheduling and playout properties for the content, and have a channel that is ready for publishing seamlessly. No need to go create the channel first, although of course you can still do that. Essentially, a much more responsive user interface and more options. So let's go ahead and create some content. You'll notice that we're highlighting our Appspace cards. This is because we truly believe that using the multitude of customizable templates we offer, and which you can personalize to your specific needs, allows for great flexibility and makes creating great-looking content a matter of a simple few clicks. Of course, you can always upload your own content if you want, either browsing or dropping the files into the window directly. The important thing is that we're not breaking up the experience with new loading screens or taking you somewhere else. It's done all in the same frame, and once you choose a piece of content you want to work on, all the editing and configuration options are presented in the same space you click through, with a raft of new options such as pushing content directly to a channel from here, choosing where in the library it should reside, and setting playout and scheduling options in the same workflow, making for a streamlined experience. To summarize, we really believe you will enjoy the new look and feel of the Appspace Content Library and hope you take advantage of it. Moving on to the next topics, security and performance upgrades. Being a software platform, it's always been imperative that our customers rely on our uptime, performance, and security measures to safeguard their data. We've improved how the single sign-on workflow performs, making for a simpler deployment experience. From the device or endpoint side, whether it's a progressive web app or a dedicated client, we've released improvements to the Appspace app that communicates with the Appspace server by improving memory usage as well as caching functionalities. We've also reviewed the information required for policy files and improved our content access workflows at the same time that we're incrementing our use of authorized tokens to manage client rights. Finally, our excellent track record of zero breaches in all of our years deploying from the cloud demands that as we continue to grow, we also adjust our security practices by increasing the frequency of penetration and vulnerability testing. To summarize, Appspace is leaner, more streamlined, and ready to service your communication needs while maintaining our excellent security practices. Thanks for listening. Be sure to check out the other videos around the new features included in the Appspace 8 launch.